Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'll be doing a one-step polish on a BMW 135i. We're going to dive right into it right after this. Let's get it. As you can see, you already know by the tape line, we're going to dive right into a polishing job. It's going to be a one-step polish. I'm going to show you the products in just a moment, so stay tuned, stay tuned. As you can see, the paint is definitely in need of our help, so stay tuned. We're going to dive right into it. Let's get it. All right, as you can see, I got my Sure-Hold 3500 teamed up with the Meguiar's microfiber cutting disc, so stay tuned. This is a BMW. The paint is moderately hard. All right, we're gonna be using the Ardex 4210 Stereo-Glaze #1 long-lasting one-step polish wax. We're gonna dive right into it. This Ardex 4210 Stereo-Glaze is made with pure Carnauba wax. All right, and if you're not following me on IG, definitely follow me on IG, MMT_PROS. Let's get it. All right, shout out to my subscriber that reached out to me via IG. We kicked it a little bit about paint hardness. You know, just to let you guys know, all paint is different. You know, some paint is a little bit harder and some of it is a little bit softer, you know. That way it's easier to correct with softer paint. With harder paint, you have to go in it with a little bit more aggression to get it down to a level where it's even noticeable that you even did anything to it. Shout out to all the amazing people that tuned in to the live stream. Let's get it. I sure appreciate you guys for tuning in. As you can see, we're on to something different. Let's get it. All right, let's check out this guy in this top corner. Let's enlarge this and check it out. Let's see what he's doing. As you can see, I'm using my polisher with one hand. The other hand, I have my Astro Pneumatic 50 SL, checking my progress. As you can see, cleaning your pads in between passes definitely helps you get optimal results. All right, as you can see on this section where the tape line was at, we're gonna speed it up just a little. And if you like this type of content, why not subscribe? All right, as you can see, I just grabbed my Astro 50 SL so you guys can see how much progress we did make using this one-step long-lasting polish by Ardex. So stay tuned, stay tuned. All right, now we checked it with the light. Let's go ahead and step back and take a good look at this car and see how well we did.
Cue the dramatics. Let's get it.
As you can see, we on to something different. Let's get it. As you can see, these are the results of the Ardex 4210 Stereo-Glaze #1, the long-lasting one-step polish wax. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Jump in the comments below. Let me know if you had any experience with the 4210 Stereo-Glaze long-lasting one-step polish wax. And with that, I'm out, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.